What's up, everybody? This is Jerry Avila of the VC Mortgage Pros here out in Westlake, out showing some houses since we're holding it open today. If you can see here, we're up in the really nice part of town, and I want to go ahead and showcase a property with you that I'm hosting here with Rory Lamb. So let's take a quick peek. Let's introduce you guys over to Rory, and we'll get this baby started.
Welcome to 1683 Shetland Pl, Westlake Village, California, 91362. Let's check it out. Come on in. First things first, what do you see when you walk in? Beautiful wine cellar. For all you wine lovers out there, plenty of space for all your good bottles of wine. Let's check out the master bedroom. High vaulted ceilings, plenty of space. This house has great energy. You can feel it. Imagine this your bedroom. Natural light. Nice fireplace for those cold evenings. Wow, check out this bathroom. I want a bathroom like this. His and her showers, standalone tub. Look at the incredible tile work. It's beautiful. I feel relaxed just walking in here. Of course, you also have your private balcony. Peaceful. Let's check out the rest. All right, come see this gourmet kitchen. Got the thermidor, stainless steel appliances, double oven, and another fireplace. Imagine yourself eating breakfast here with the family. Let's go see the other side of the house. Two more bedrooms with bathrooms. We have a wet bar. Entertain, make drinks for your guests. A lovely living space. You can entertain in here. You can watch movies in here. Hey, this could be your dance floor. Let's go outside. It's like an outdoor oasis out here. Check out this pool. Nothing but privacy back here. Relax, take a swim, barbecue with your friends. This is an entertainer's dream home. If this is something you're interested in, you and your family want to live in Westlake Village, beautiful city, incredible schools, top notch, contact us. We're here for you. Thank you.